question. What if? That is all now possible with the 24K UPI Invisible Watch. We are bringing you this new, innovative, invisible technology. When the watch is turned on, it looks like there is nothing on the screen. But when you use our special, unique glasses, you are able to see the content on the screen. To make this work, we use a special screen and special lenses. The glasses are unisex and made with good quality. Now you can upload content on the watch, put the glasses on, and enjoy your exams. Because only you will have access to the hidden content. This technology is also available for other devices that we have on offer, such as LCD monitors, phones, tablets, and so on. Visit us now and get your 24K UPI Invisible Watch. You asked for it, we made it. Introducing the Magic Calculator, the new product of 24K UPI. The Magic Calculator is like any other simple calculator, but it has powerful hidden features. By pressing one button, it transforms a calculator to a book reader, allowing you to check your notes. The calculator has an extremely fast text scrolling speed, so you can write down your notes in a second. The Magic Calculator also allows you to set your text brightness, choose between 4 different text modes, and the best part of the Magic Calculator is that it has an emergency button. By pressing the emergency button, it will eject you from the text and back to calculator mode. It will lock the calculator, so it is impossible to unlock it without the right combination. The calculator has 4 gigabytes of memory, so it is very handy to use as a removable disk also. You can put small photos, video, music, and record your speech on it as well. Order your Magic Calculator now, only at 24kupi.com.
24KUPI is presenting the mini wireless earpiece loop set. With loop set you will get earpiece, 2 batteries for earpiece, and the loop antenna. The loop antenna is not as other cheap antennas. It is enhanced with thick cable, making the signals strong, which provides you with great sound. You can connect loop antenna to any device that has auxiliary in, so you can connect it to any phone, watch, MP3 recorders, and so on. The loop antenna has microphone, so you can talk to person to the other side, volume control, and pick up or hang up button. It is very easy to use. Just put the loop over the neck and it can be easily hid under the t-shirt. Connect it to phone, and you are ready to put the earpiece in your ear. Our earpiece is one of the best earpieces on the market with good quality and clear sound. You will never miss a thing. To work with the earpiece is very simple. Just unscrew the black cover and put the battery inside like this, and it will instantly pick up the signal from the loop. The earpiece is so small that it will look invisible in your ear. Now you are ready for your spy mission. In offer, we also have the Bluetooth set and GMS set, only on 24kupi.com.
Did you ever want to hide your secret notes, but never found the right spot and a method for it? Now, 24KUPI has the solution for you. Introducing the UV pen with invisible ink. This pen looks like a regular pen, but inside it hides the invisible ink. Once you try to write on the paper, you will not see anything, so don't try to push on it like a crazy person. The pen on top has a UV light. By pressing the button on the side, you can turn it on and reveal the content that you have written. You can use the pen for hidden messages, your math formulas, or you can just make fun of your friends before. The UV pen can be fun and useful. Get it now only on 24kupi.com.